Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. In this video, I will explain about how to install sudo from Powershell on Windows. So let's get started. These are the steps to install sudo in Windows. Open PowerShell. PowerShell. Here, this is the PowerShell. Here, set execution policy. Copy this one. Control C. Paste here. Enter. It will take some time to complete. Here, this is the done. Next command. Install. Boom. Install. Here, copy this one. Control C. Paste here. Enter. So it is initializing. Wait some time to complete this process. Here, SCOOP was successfully installed though. So this is installation is done. Third step, install sudo command. Control C. Paste here. SCOOP install sudo. Installing sudo. Here, sudo was installed successfully. Here, congrats, sudo installation done. Check with one basic command. So here using sudo ammo welcome, right? Suppose I am like sudo echo is like system.out.println. I am printing one message. Welcome. Here, enter. It will display here. Welcome message. One pop-up will appear. Say to yes. Here, welcome. You can also run sudo echo welcome. This way too we can install it by using these 5 steps. We can install the sudo on PowerShell and Windows. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to this YouTube channel.